Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to talk about a topic of a hospital being accused of breaking a baby's collarbone. We've seen a lot of incidents where hospitals are being put on the hot seat because they're not following protocol and people are either dying or very unethical stuff are happening to them. So let's get into the story. It says a woman who recently gave birth at an Antonia Bay hospital in St. Mary is accusing medical staff of breaking her newborn's collarbone during delivery. Malik Sutherland, 25, is threatening to file a lawsuit against the hospital. I hope you actually do. But anyways, I've been in 2 meetings with them and all they did was apologize. They also told me that they went over my file and they did not see where I had any issue with the delivery and that incidents like that don't happen at their hospital. They are making it seem like I am the one who did break my baby's collarbone and I know I didn't. I'm certain of that, she said. Sutherland, who lives in Windsor Castle, Portland, said she had a normal delivery on May 8th and was discharged the following day with her son. I can't even pronounce that name. Dakar Dawkins. When we got home, I realized he was crying a lot, but I thought he was just being fussy because him just born. I didn't know he was in pain. He would cry, especially when I hold his right hand, but I didn't take it for anything. About a week after I gave birth, I was playing with him, and when he turned his head to the left, that's when I saw a swelling in his neck. When I touched it, I could feel a bone sticking up, she said. She told the Star that she took the infant back to Antonia Bay Hospital 2 days later, and she said she was told that the baby's collarbone was broken. It was Saturday when I saw the swelling, so I took the baby on Monday. After they did the test and examination, they started to ask me a lot of questions like I was the one who did something to the baby. One of the doctors even asked if I had put my baby on the ground and if he had gotten a fall. I know for a fact the baby didn't drop or anything. The baby always on the bed, she said. Dr. Patrick Wheel, Regional Director of Northeast Regional Health Authority, which is responsible for the operation and management of health services within St. Mary and Portland, said he had requested a report on the matter. The facility has been in communication with the mother, and we are awaiting the results from the facility. We are here to serve the public, so we acknowledge the complaint and we are waiting on reports. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, in a tweet, said that he too has requested a report. Honestly, I feel like Jody and Ferren case came, it went, no one was held accountable, and I feel like a lot of these cases, Christopher Tufton put out that he wants people who are held accountable, and Jeholdens do the same, and after a while they sweep these cases under the rug and act like nothing happened. I hope this girl actually sues them, and I hope she actually wins, because there needs to be some form of accountability held in our medical facilities. A lot of these people that are working in our medical facilities, they're there just for the money. They're not there because they actually want to help people and support people and make people feel better. That's what you're doing when you're in the medical field. And if that's not what you genuinely want to do, then don't pick up that career field, because especially in Jamaica, the pay is not that good compared to other countries. So if you're going to complain and not do your job properly, just don't go in that particular field. I'm tired of cases being swept under the rug. Jody and Ferren case, I'm not forgetting it. I'm still looking to see who is going to be held accountable. I'll know. But anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think she should sue? Do you think she actually have a case? Do you think she would win if she actually sue? Do you think anyone is going to be held accountable? And what do you guys think about the Jody and Ferren case that they swept underneath the rug so quickly? Do you think anybody will ever be held accountable for her death? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.